멀리서 한 남자가 도로 위에 서 있습니다.
Jack! Jack, wait up!
소년이 목이 터지도록 불러보지만 야속하게도 차는 멈추지 않고 그대로 떠나갑니다. 저 남자가 이 소년에게 어떤 사람이었는지 영화 세 가지 소망 지금 시작합니다. 가족여행을 떠나기 위해 운전대를 잡고 있는 톰. 잠시 한눈을 판 순간
Tom!
남성을 칠 뻔하지만 간신히 브레이크를 밟아 멈추는데
Tom.
어딘가 낯익은 그 뒷모습이 톰이 어린 시절을 떠올리게 합니다.
Can you hear me? I'd hear you better for a quarter. Don't start that now. Quickly, in the car. Very late. Hurry, hurry. Stop at home and we're off. Nothing wrong.
그렇게 동생과 장난을 치며 집으로 향하던 중 갑자기
Oh my God! What was that? What was that?
She looked okay.
알고 보니 엄마의 차에 한 남자가 부딪히고 경찰까지 오게 되는데
Swerve to avoid hitting his door.
Hitchhiking is against the law in this township. So is running into a car.
Oh no, that's not what happened. It was my
Lady,
fault. I came through. There was
why
a
don't
dog
you and
there.
your son just walk back to the car?
But I haven't given you my name or
I
anything. You
said
should call
you're
me.
all done here.
I don't
Thank you.
뜻밖에도 경찰은 잘못이 남자에게 있다며 톰의 엄마인 진을 그대로 돌려보냅니다.
Memorial Day means.
톰의 아버지는 한국전쟁 참전 용사였고 현충일을 맞아 가족은 현충원에 들립니다.
It's all right. Well, Daddy doesn't actually have a place here, honey.
Well, I would if I had your legs, Jean.
다음날 마을 축제에 들린 톰의 가족. 갑자기 진의 친구가 진에게 한마디 합니다.
Look at you.
필과 진은 서로에게 편한 사이였고 그 만남은 시간이 꽤 흐른 뒤의 재회였습니다.
We call him Danny.
Well, how are you?
You're tall.
Well, you can be tall too. Okay, all
He's
right.
deathly afraid of heights.
He's afraid of everything. Monsters and snakes and swimming pools.
Cindy, that's enough. That's enough. Let's all go play somewhere.
I don't even remember. When did we last see each other? What are you doing here?
Must be fate. To think I nearly gave this territory to one of my salesmen. I tell you what, you tell me when you were free for dinner.
오랜만에 만남에도 진과 필은 무척 자연스러워 보였습니다. 남자들끼리 야구 한 판 하자며 3-3-5 모여드는데
Okay, fathers and sons like we did last year. Jim, raise the bat. We're gonna see who's gonna be the home team. Fathers! You guys can bat first, okay?
Don't look at us, Holman. We want to win.
아버지의 빈자리만큼 톰은 그들 사이에 쉽게 끼지 못합니다. 집으로 돌아온 그날 저녁
No, Tom, give him a cookie. Bunny, one more cookie. Brush your teeth. Hey, last warning. No, this is not a toy. This is
Yeah,
not a
Dad
toy.
gave it to me.
Give him Davy. Give it to him. You can give me Davy and go take out the garbage.
He gets whatever he wants, and I get stuff in the garbage.
그렇게 불평을 늘어놓으며 쓰레기를 버리러 나가는데 어디선가 수상한 소리가 들려옵니다.
I know you. Betty Jane. Oh, you're lost, huh?
자세히 보니 아까 교통사고 현장에서 봤던 강아지였고 불쌍해 보였는지 창문을 열어 방 안으로 들입니다. 다음날 강아지를 데리고 거실로 나가는데
Morning.
What is that?
I don't know why we just can't keep her. You're the one who almost ran her over.
킬 수 없다는 말과 함께 결국 보호소로 향하는데
Mom, I think she has to go.
차를 세우자 강아지는 어디론가 달려갑니다.
Betty Jane!
Oh, where have you been, you silly girl?
I don't understand you.
강아지가 멈춰선 그곳엔 주인 잭이 앉아 있었습니다.
I found her near my house. She was lost.
I'm grateful to you.
뒤늦게 따라온 진은 잭을 알아보곤 자연스레 말을 겁니다.
I'm so Your leg. I didn't know. I'm so sorry about yesterday, really. I'm Jean Holman. And, if there's anything I can do to compensate for my carelessness, please just say.
We could use a ride.
그렇게 차를 얻어 탄 잭은 목적지에 도착하게 됩니다.
Bye.
Good luck!
Thanks.
It's dangerous to stand by the road, isn't it, Mommy?
Yes, it is, honey.
What if he doesn't get a ride?
Damnation.
차를 돌린 진은 쉽지 않은 선택을 합니다.
Sorry, I don't know your name.
Jack,
Jack, this is very dangerous.
I'll be careful.
Would you come back to the car, please?
Why?
You've got to have a place to stay until that leg heals.
그렇게 고민 끝에 잭은 함께 돌아오는데
Dogs should stay outside.
진은 잭에게 조용히 말을 꺼냅니다.
I just want to make a few things clear, and I would never do this under any circumstances, except these circumstances, and because of that cast.
그렇게 진은 애석한 변명으로 말을 마칩니다.
One.
한편 건이는 동네 친구들과 숨바꼭질을 하고 있습니다. 건이는 베티제인을 보고 무서워 도망가고 베티제인은 도망치는 건이를 향해 전력으로 달려갑니다. 건이는 도망가다 결국 넘어지게 되는데 겁에 질린 기색을 느낀 순간 베티제인은 한 발 눌러서 조용히 지켜보는데 건이는 위험하지 않다는 걸 느낀 듯 베티제인을 경계하지 않고 다가오자 귀여운 듯 살며시 쓰다듬어 줍니다. 그날 저녁 잭은 나갈 준비를 하는데
I'm gonna go for a walk.
Michael, listen to me when I say come in. Dinner is ready. Okay, let's go.
Hey, you got the keys?
Hey, you looking for something?
The highway.
It's a couple miles that way. We can take it if you want.
No, thanks.
Always tell Mommy where you're going.
Yes, sir.
사실은 몰래 떠나려던 거였지만 그만 들켜버립니다. 다음날 친구가 찾아오는데
He's outside. He's making some tea.
Who is he? Where did he come from? Does he have any identification? Don't you realize he could be dangerous?
걱정하는 친구 앞에서 진은 담담하게 말을 꺼냅니다.
He is not of this world.
Are you saying he's from someplace else, like outer space?
Shh. I'm pretty sure. I can't.
How do you know?
Scout's honor, Joyce. He can fly. And he has a third eye. Right in the middle of his forehead.
진은 농담처럼 말하며 상황을 정리합니다. 한편 톰은 야간 연습이 끝나고 집으로 돌아가는데
Brakes were screeching and it crashed. People came running, but I got there first. You should have seen. That's neat. Bones were sticking out and there's blood everywhere. He wouldn't even get on the stretcher. He walked to the ambulance.
톰은 잭이 이야기를 꺼내며 시선을 끄는데
Can we meet him sometime? Maybe. Bye, Ferd. Bye, Tom. I saw your club last night. What was in the box?
사실 어제 톰은 몰래 훔쳐보고 있었습니다.
What was in the box?
How'd you see? What are you, a rusty spy?
No, he's a peeping Tom. You get it, Tom?
Can I join?
Very doubtful, Holman.
Yeah, tell us why we want a bellyache in our club.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Hey, you want to meet Jack, don't you?
그렇게 제게게 곧장 가지만 팬티만 입은 채 아무렇지 않게 햇빛을 쬐고 있던 잭.
What is this, Holman?
Yeah. What are you trying to do?
What the hell is going on here?
Boys, inside.
그 장면을 본 필은 참지 못하고 말을 꺼냅니다.
What the hell do you think you are doing here?
Sunbathing.
You know, I know how guys like you operate. Jeannie never actually invited you here, did she?
잭은 필의 말에 시큰둥하게 받아칩니다.
No, you're right. She didn't invite me. She insisted.
그날 밤 필과 진은 레스토랑에서 마주 앉아 이야기를 나눕니다.
But what does it get you? You, that is what I care about. Okay, now I'm only going to say this one more time, but bringing a perfect stranger into your home, it just isn't like you. Let me show you something.
필은 지갑 속에서 작은 무언가를 꺼내 건네는데
It's the last thing I expected.
그건 진의 어린 시절 사진이었습니다.
Oh, where did this come from?
Well, all these years I've been away building up the business. I carried it around with me.
Why?
Maybe you're the one I was doing it all for.
이 말을 들은 진은 부담을 느끼는 듯 생각이 많아집니다. 식사를 마치고 온 진은 잭이 아이들 사이에 앉아 이야기를 나누고 있는 장면을 마주합니다.
Is that where you go home?
Yeah. But most people, they live in houses like this one, and I guess they like it. But I have a different kind of house, where there are no walls, just mountains and trees and oceans and...
Don't you ever get cold or hungry?
Sometimes. I just eat snakes or lizards.
Ew.
I'm just kidding.
그런 잭을 바라보던 진은 입꼬리를 조금 들어 올립니다.
There's always a way to make do. If you don't have much, you don't need much. And we were just going to bed.
아이들을 재우고 돌아오며 진의 시선은 잭에게 잠시 머뭅니다. 그 시선을 알아챈 잭은 고개를 살짝 돌려 진을 바라봅니다.
Step in and swing straight. Iron the ball, iron the ball. Come on. Well, it's nothing to smile at, Sakin. Holman! Don't disappoint me now.
톰이 타석에 서는 순간 팀원들은 그를 얕잡아 보듯 앞으로 바짝 당겨섭니다.
Come on, Holman. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Don't tell me the ball.
I was.
Holman, never complain, never explain.
감독은 무언가 못마땅한 듯 팀원들을 불러 모읍니다.
I want to see you busting up for it. Busting up. Holman!
Stick your pansy.
그렇게 마이볼을 외치지만 톰은 그저 친구들의 웃음거리가 됩니다. 진은 우연히 잭이 머문 방을 청소하다가 그의 사적인 물건을 보게 되는데 그런데 다이어리는 텅 비어 있습니다.
Hi.
집에 돌아온 톰은 진에게 한마디를 하는데
How long does Jack have to be here?
Until his leg heals.
No. Can we pay him to go somewhere else?
톰의 말이 막 끝난 순간 마치 타이밍을 알고 있었던 것처럼 잭이 들어옵니다.
Excuse me.
그날 밤 필과 진은 친구들과 함께 볼링장을 쳤습니다.
Talk to her, Phil. Tell her to come back to work for me. Besides, we need her for the Wednesday night league.
No can do. I am behind my gal 100%.
Your gal?
Business is a good idea, assuming you're adequately capitalized.
She has a bank appointment next week.
With no credit history?
Banks are not the end of the line. There's always investors.
사업 이야기로 흘러가자 진의 얼굴에서는 미묘한 불편함이 드러납니다. 데이트를 마친 뒤 필은 진을 집 앞까지 바래다 줍니다.
That was fun. Really.
If you call losing fun. No, you were great.
Tried. You're very generous. I appreciate what you said to Hank. He worries about me.
Well, meant what I said about investors. They have benefits. Especially if that investor is me.
투자 이야기에 진의 표정에는 기쁨이 번집니다.
You serious?
I am betting. I'm betting that you're going to succeed. There's nothing wrong with betting on you. Is there?
그렇게 짧은 입맞춤을 나눈 뒤 둘은 헤어집니다. 집 앞에 멈춰선 진 그때 멀리서 잭이 그녀를 향해 걸어옵니다.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm just going in.
Thanks for watching the boys.
Sure.
집 안으로 향하던 잭을 붙잡고 진은 짧은 질문을 던지는데
Am I making a mistake? Starting a business?
Why would that be a mistake?
I suppose other people might say that a woman in my position shouldn't take such a chance.
이런 진에게 잭은 짧은 질문을 하는데
What is really worrying you?
Boys, I just think that maybe I ought to start thinking about getting remarried or something for their sake. I don't know how I'm going to take care of them if I don't.
갈피를 잃은 진 앞에서 잭의 목소리는 의외로 단호하게 말합니다.
You are taking care of them.
I don't know, Jack. I just feel so lost sometimes.
망설이는 진을 위해 잭은 한 가지 예를 들어 설명합니다.
So you know, when Columbus first set out, needless to say, he didn't have very much to go by. And he didn't know what he was doing. He wasn't looking for a new world, just a faster way to India. But that's the way it is with explorers. Sometimes they feel lost.
이야기를 듣던 진은 웃음을 띠며 대답하는데
Are you saying that's what I am then? I'm an explorer. Look at you boys.
다음날 톰은 아침부터 야구 연습을 합니다. 그 모습을 지켜보던 잭은 고민을 하더니
Looks to me like you could use a pitcher.
Yeah.
Want me to toss a few? Okay. Take anything that looks good.
Come on, Roman, concentrate.
Can I say something? You know, baseball is a thing that if you push too hard, you get exactly the opposite of what you're trying for. This time, swing to miss.
Are you kidding?
Clean strike.
Okay, that's easy.
잭의 말을 들은 톰은 가볍게 스윙을 휘둘러 보는데 생각보다 잘 맞은 스윙에 톰은 기쁨을 감추지 못합니다.
Do that again?
그리고 다음 날 드디어 야구 경기가 시작됩니다.
One thing I want to say to you. Don't let up. Understand?
감독의 격려와 달리 학생들은 이미 꺾인 모습입니다. 경기 시작을 앞두고 톰은 잭 쪽으로 발걸음을 옮기는데
Coach moved me over to right field, and that guy's a lefty.
It's all in the way you see it. Just slow the ball down in your mind and let it float.
Holman, take your position.
마침내 경기 시작.
Hang on to it! Hang on to it! Come on! What, you sleeping, Brian?
하지만 예상대로 톰의 팀은 오합지졸이었습니다.
Right here, right here. All right. You're good. You're good. Be ready to move. Be ready to move. Eyes, eyes, eyes!
게다가 아까 톰이 우렸던 선수까지 타선에 나섭니다. 모두가 숨을 죽이는 순간 공은 계속 뻗어나가고 톰은 포기하지 않고 달려 끝내 글러버에 담아냅니다.
I caught it! It worked!
All right, Holman!
Gunny, did you see that? My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.
Oh, Daddy. Okay. All right, sweetheart. Let's go. Come on. Let me carry you. Put your head down. Maybe it's just the sun. Yeah? Maybe too much sun. Could you make sure Tom gets home, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
톰을 잭에게 맡기고 지는 건이를 데리고 급히 병원으로 갑니다.
He's had a shot. Let him sleep as long as he can.
Is it the flu or?
We'll know when we run some tests.
But it worked. I mean, everything you said. I never hit a homer before. Hey, nice game. Thanks. Hey, you think we can get a ride? I'll ask.
We're not going that way. Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
You need a lift?
Yeah.
집에 돌아온 잭은 건이에게 찾아갑니다.
Welcome back.
Jack, do you believe in magic?
Of course I believe in magic. I even know a couple of stories. You want to hear one?
Sure.
Okay. Well, it begins with a little boy and his brother and their mother. And they had some real problems. So one day they met a man who was hurt, and they stopped to help him.
Did the man have a dog?
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, he did.
But it wasn't really a dog, was it?
건이를 잠재운 뒤 잭은 조용히 방을 나서는데 진의 방에서 울음소리가 들리고 잭은 문을 엽니다.
I'm sorry, I heard a noise and I just came.
That's all right. Sit down if you like.
진은 잭에게 술 한 잔을 권하고 조심스럽게 속 이야기를 시작합니다.
That's a blue bear. Jeffrey bought it for Gunny on his last day of leave.
남편 이야기가 지나가고 진은 건이에게 뜻밖의 고백을 합니다.
Gunny has cancer.
말을 꺼낸 뒤 진은 쌓여있던 억울함을 토해내듯 말합니다.
Life needs a new rule. Only one tragic death per family. And kids are off limits.
At least Jeffrey died for a reason.
Maybe that's important for you to believe.
You mean it's important for me?
No.
How dare you! He died for peace! I think you should go.
자리를 뜨려는 잭을 붙잡고 진은 마지막 말을 덧붙입니다.
Because nobody's gonna tell me my husband died for nothing!
I didn't say for nothing.
I did. Oh, God. Oh, he should be here. I promised him I'd look after that. I promised him. Oh, my sweet boy. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
말 대신 잭은 진을 끌어안고 조용히 등을 다독입니다.
You're not
다음날 톰은 잭과 캐치볼을 주고받으며 연습을 이어가는데
Hey guys, come here. Jack, these are the guys. They want to know if you can help them the way you help me.
So you guys are here because you want to win, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing you're gonna do, the most important thing, is forget all that. So I want you to take your gloves off and throw them right here.
잭의 뜻밖의 말에 아이들은 서로 얼굴을 보며 어리둥절해하지만
You want to play better, don't you? Yeah. Off your mitt.
톰의 작은 행동에 따라 아이들은 말없이 글러브를 하나둘 벗어냅니다.
What is this?
Now, baseball is not just hitting and fielding.
잭이 아이들을 지도하는 모습을 감독이 유심히 지켜봅니다.
How you think it. Starting with this.
그날 아침 거실에는 잭에게 남겨진 작은 선물과 편지가 있습니다.
Did you like it?
Well, I'm surprised. It's a really expensive gift.
Yeah, well, I've got money saved. I know you're not my dad or anything, but I just wanted to give it to you.
선물을 본 잭은 짧게 한마디 합니다.
I don't shave, Tom.
톰은 의외의 대답을 합니다.
In case you ever want to sometime.
Now, why would I want to?
Everybody else does.
잭은 톰의 대답을 듣고 조심스레 충고를 건네는데
If I shave, I can be more like them, and I can really start to fit in, huh? Well, since it's the only thing you can be, it might be a good idea, huh? And it'll be enough if you let it.
그리고 며칠 뒤 다시 경기를 앞둔 톰의 팀원들과 잭은 조용히 앉아 마음을 가다듬습니다.
If you push too hard at anything, you'll get the exact opposite of what you're trying for. Everything contains its opposite. And
Hey, Herb. Jim. What are they doing? I don't know. They're... Look at them. They're in a circle. I don't know. Singing.
그 장면을 지켜보던 학부모가 감독에게 질문을 던집니다.
Hey, Shramka, what the hell's going on there?
I don't know, and I don't ask.
Are you trying to say you're going to let that guy... He's a beatnik. He's running the team?
That beatnik is Jack McLeod, star rookie of the White Sox, 1941.
Says who?
Official records. Something about him was bothering me, so I looked it up. He was a pitcher. Won 25 games. He was going to be one of the great ones. And he just dropped out at the end of his first season. He's never heard of again.
You saying we got a major leaguer right here coaching our kids?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah? I'll believe it when I see it.
그 말을 들은 부모들은 의아한 표정으로 자리로 돌아갑니다. 한편 진은 톰의 경기를 보러 가지 못한 채 집에서 건이를 돌보고 있습니다.
Phil? Hi, I'm back. I thought I heard Gunny, but he's, Yeah, it's not too bad for long distance. It's not too bad.
진에게 걸려온 전화는 필이었고 건이를 입원시킬 병원이 있다는 소식을 전하는데
I'm really happy. What I'll do is I'll check with his doctors. What do you mean you already did that?
단순히 병원을 알아봐 달랬을 뿐인데 필은 이미 주치 상담까지 끝낸 상태. 진은 그 과한 배려가 부담스럽습니다. 장면은 다시 경기장으로 돌아옵니다. 상황은 9대9.
Let's see some fire. Come on.
믿기 힘든 플레이에 응원하던 부모들은 환호합니다.
My boys are playing baseball.
수비가 끝나고 이제 마지막 타석입니다.
Make him throw you a strike. Go
Strike one! Come on. You gotta get this one. This one's yours.
흔들리는 친구를 보던 톰은 짧게 말을 건넵니다.
Strike out! Yeah, easy out. Pop it up. Yeah, strike out. Strike out. Let it go wide. Just miss it. Pop it up.
What the hell?
Everything contains its opposite.
톰의 친구는 제게의 가르침을 떠올리며 있는 힘껏 방망이를 휘두릅니다. 휘어진 타구가 그대로 담장을 넘어가 팀은 결국 승리합니다. 승리 후 기념사진을 찍고 부모들은 제게게 한 가지 제안을
So,
건넵니다.
Jack, a few of us planned a camping trip. Get in some fishing. Why don't you and Tom join us?
We'd be proud to have you.
Oh, yeah. More than proud. Yeah, give us a chance to say thanks for everything. And
I really appreciate it, but I don't fish.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
Well, come along anyway. You know how much Tom would enjoy it.
Yeah, you gotta have it. Great. Come on.
You don't want to let these kids down, do you? After they work so hard.
Come on, please.
잠깐의 망설임 끝에 잭은 조용히 답합니다.
No, I don't.
Good. Good. We'll call you later.
come on, son.
All right, we'll call you.
Thanks, Jack.
그렇게 잭과 톰은 캠핑을 떠나 사람들과 이야기를 나눕니다.
Hey, Jack. Jack, I got a question for you. Are all ball players as quiet as you?
well, not these sluggers.
But you can't put it by us, Jack. We know your stats. White Sox, 41-25 wins, huh?
제게 관한 이야기에 그는 뜻밖의 답을 내놓습니다.
It is some record, but it's not mine. You got the wrong Jack McLeod.
You mean you never played pro ball?
No, sir.
The minors?
잠시 정적이 흐르고 사람들은 각자의 해석을 쏟아냅니다.
We jumped to some conclusions here.
It's bullshit.
Hey, we had a great game. Now that's all that matters.
Like hell it does.
Lee, we're here to fish, remember?
열이 오른 한 부모는 싸울 기세로 잭을 노려보며 위협합니다.
What are you sitting around here for? There's a whole lake full of fish out there, and we promised you some night fishing, so let's go. Get your gear. Let's go night fishing.
Come on, get your stuff.
Come on. Come on, guys.
Come on, Tommy, you come with us.
톰은 망설이며 쉽게 떠나지 못합니다.
Come on.
Hurry up. Let's go.
No. I'm sticking with Jack.
그 시각 진은 필과 함께 있고 필은 조용히 청혼을 합니다.
Will you marry me?
I don't know.
진은 조심스럽게 이야기를 꺼냅니다.
I just don't know that it's the right time. See,
For
just
good times and bad times. That's the whole idea, isn't it?
yes, it is.
Okay,
Now,
and when we get back from Minnesota, there's a house I want to show you on 2 acres
just
of
stop,
land.
please, stop. I've decided against the trip.
What?
Yes. You see, I've decided Memorial Hospital has an experimental program that's very promising.
Jeannie.
It's much closer than the Mayo Clinic, and I know Gunny. I know Gunny. And he will be much better if he can stay closer to home.
This is nonsense.
No,
Okay? You're letting
no.
sentiment get in the way.
Sentiment? Get in the way of what?
Of what I am trying to do. Now let me handle it. This is a question of what's best, not what's easy.
You're right.
그리고 진은 결단을 내립니다.
And this would be easy. But it will never be best. Sorry.
잠 못 이루던 진에게 잭이 다가옵니다.
I thought you ironed when you couldn't
That's Tuesdays. I save Thursdays for closets and drawers.
I remember that.
어느새 거리가 좁혀지고 두 사람은 조용히 입을 맞춥니다. 다음날 아침 전화벨이 울리고
Hello? Well, he's outside. May I take a message? Oh. Uh-huh. To have his cast removed.
전화는 병원에서 온 것이었고 제게게 깁스를 풀러오라는 연락이었습니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Jack isn't gonna leave, is he? I mean, just because his cast is coming off.
톰의 말을 듣고 그녀는 말을 잇지 못합니다.
What, are you gonna ask him, Mom?
집 밖에 서 있는 잭을 향해 지는 말을 겁니다.
Dr. Pavlik's office just phoned. A reminder about your appointment.
그렇게 병원에서 깁스를 풀고 다시 집으로 돌아옵니다.
You don't have to leave just because your cast is off. Tell him, Mom. He'll say yes if you ask him.
I can't do that, Tom. Jack has his life. And we have ours.
Yes, you could.
Please, honey. Don't be difficult. You're old enough to understand this.
You always say that,
Tom.
but you don't have a reason.
진의 말에 톰은 마음이 상한 채 집을 나갑니다. 떠나기 전 잭은 건이의 방을 찾는데
Remember the story you told me about the man and the dog and the family? I knew what the dog really was, a genie.
Well, she's got a lot of names, and she took on a lot of different forms. You see, she travels all over the world, granting wishes to people who do good deeds. And because that family was so kind, the genie granted them 3 wishes. One for the mother, one for the big brother, and one for the little boy.
그렇게 잭은 3가지 소원을 말하며 건이에게 작별 인사를 건넵니다. 이제 잭은 정말 떠날 준비를 합니다.
You know, if you really wanted a life like this one, you'd have it. You would.
Yep.
Yeah.
You gonna be okay?
Yes, I am. I'll be fine. On my own.
Came to say goodbye.
잭이 말을 건네지만 톰은 대답하지 않습니다.
We all lose things, Tom. Every day. Some things are so small we hardly notice, then others hurt. A lot. But you know what? If we don't give up, we'll get to see that we're always getting something else instead.
Like what?
Depends. Today you choose. Whatever you want.
Mean it?
As long as you don't wish for me to stay.
원하는 답은 하지 말라던 잭. 그 순간 톰이 말합니다.
So what do I care anyway?
If you don't make a wish, I'll have to make one for you.
Big deal. You don't fool me. You're just a bum. That's all you are.
Goodbye, Tom.
그리고는 잭은 떠납니다. 이 영화는 끝까지 기적을 과시하지 않습니다. 대신 사람이 변하는 순간을 보여줍니다. 세 가지 소원은 판타지 장치처럼 보이지만 결국 이야기의 중심은 무엇이 바라느냐가 아니라 어떻게 선택하느냐에 있습니다. 잭은 무언가를 해결해주는 인물이 아니라 망설이던 사람들 곁에 잠시 서 있던 존재에 가깝습니다. 그리고 떠난 뒤에야 우리는 깨닫습니다. 이 영화가 말하는 기적은 이루어지는 사건이 아니라 스스로 움직이기 시작한 마음이란 걸. 오늘도 스트랩 굿나잇 필름.